Journey to Excellence with CAD Centre Nagpur. Join us on a transformative journey as we explore the world of design and innovation at CAD Centre. Your journey to becoming a skilled designer starts here. Meet our experienced and passionate instructors who will guide you through your learning journey. Choose from a range of specialized courses: Civil CAD, Mechanical CAD, Electrical CAD, Architecture CAD, Interior CAD. Discover our state-of-the-art learning resources, including textbooks, online materials, and software labs. Experience hands-on training that will equip you with practical skills and confidence. Receive personalized support and mentorship to help you excel in your studies. Apply what you've learned by working on real-world projects, preparing you for the challenges of the design industry. Gain valuable insights from industry experts through seminars and workshops. Prepare for a successful career with our career development services, including resume building and interview preparation. Ready to turn your dreams into designs? Enroll in CAD Centre Nagpur and take the first step towards a fulfilling career in design.